OMG. This is the video you've been waiting for, I've been waiting for, we've all been fabulously, patiently waiting for. Okay, let's just do a quick little intro because I want to get right into the room tour. But hi fabulous, it's me, that's all Mo, and today I'm going to be doing a Barbie inspired room tour for the one and only Barbie girl herself, or should I say Barbie doll. Flashback to the old username. So today I'm going to be doing a cute little room tour. I'm so excited about it. My room is obviously all pink, all fabulous, all cuteness, all hotness, just like me. It's literally me, but in a room form. So that says a lot. That's how you know it's fabulous right there. So I just moved to LA like a couple months ago, probably like 2-ish months ago. I just got my room set up to how I like it. I'm still like working on it and adding fabulous touches literally every day. But when I look around, I just see fabulousness and it makes me happy. So I'm ready to show you my fabulous Barbie room. So let's just get right into it. There's literally no explaining further to be done other than showing you. Okay, let's start on literally the outside. Ooh, hi. When you walk into my room, I have this cute little Barbie little doormat waiting to come in. And OMG, oh wait, hold on. Start over. Pretend like that didn't happen. So we've got this little Barbie little like doormat with my little Barbie shoes. And then you see my door. This is, I guess, the front of my door. It's got all things fabulous like me, my favorite icons, just fabulous little sayings, like I'm obsessed. And then we walk in. Oh, the door. Then you see my fabulous little vanity. I've got this little pink little rug right here with my little fur little chair because I'm gonna be honest, my little stool that went with the vanity set fully broke. So I had to like improvise there. Cute little vanity. I've got all my makeup in here. This is where I sit. I tell myself I'm hot. I tell myself I'm fabulous. I listen to some hot girl music and I really just feel my fantasy and like get ready. That's where all the magic happens. Oh, you can see me in it. So as you can see, I've got this little heart mirror right here. Hi. It's so cute. I'm sure you've seen it a million times. If you follow me on Snapchat, you've seen a full rundown of this vanity because I'm obsessed with it and I wanted to show you. Snapchat is where I get really intimate. I've got my cute little shelves. I got my little Bratz doll twins, my little tiny little Barbie Percy. It's like as big as my hand. My little Hello Kitty lip gloss and lip balm. I've got this little shelf full of like little Juicy Couture perfume. This is literally a perfume that just shoots out glitter. This is my body shimmer like body oil. It's literally just glitter in an oil form. I love it. Then I've got my Chanel mirror in its case, just like sitting there in the box. I've got little rings in this little tiny cupcake box. It's so cute. And right here I've got some more jewelry. I've got my little eyelash curler that's adorable. I have this mini little Bratz doll star brush and then my Fenty Beauty Balm. This is all just like fabulous stuff. Then right here, I've got my little makeup brush little box. It's like this furry little box that has my makeup brushes in it. You've seen these. You know, I literally don't use a makeup brush unless they're pink. They're all pink, and if you're lucky, they've got Hello Kitty on them. So, very, very fabulous and cute. And then right here, I've just got my little, like, early 2000s literally phone. This was literally my mom's phone. I was probably, like, 5 when she had this. It's so nostalgic and I just love it. It's so cute, so I keep it out like it's my phone, like I need it because I do. Then I've got this cute little like My Melody hand cream just to keep my hands hydrated. And of course, the necessity of life, lip gloss. I've got my lip injection Too Faced lip gloss. Is my go-to. It's my favorite. I mean, the packaging alone is just adorable. And that's just like little cute accents that I keep right here. And then I've got my cute little movie star little mirror with the lights. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. This is like my dressing room, so I literally make it feel like I'm getting ready to go like shoot a movie. I love it. It's like how you have to do it. You literally just like live your fantasy. I'm a Pisces, so I'm like ultra fantasy-like and delusional, so this is just like a perfect little setup for me. So that's the vanity portion. That's where I do my makeup and just get all ready for the day. It's so cutie. And then next to it, I literally just have a little Juicy Couture makeup box. It's so cute. It just adds like a little pink accent to my room. And over here, I have my dresser. This is where I keep my fabulous, cute little clothes. And on top of it, I have cute little accessories. Fun fact, this Barbie car is like beat up because guess what? I used to play with this when I was literally a baby. I love this Barbie car. It has been with me literally since my childhood, and I knew when I saw it when I was little and I would play with it, I would just imagine myself literally having my own little pink car. Then I have these little Barbies inside. This one's newer, but I've had this one since I was little, and I've also had this one since I was little. It's the Sharpay Barbie. I love her. She's in her High School Musical 2 outfit. I've got this other little Barbie car. I have this little rhinestone Barbie little thing. I like keep it up, but it falls. My little Hello Kitty plushie, my Valentino bag. I love it. I love, love, love my Valentino pink collection little box. And then I have a pretty little thing like bag right here. It's so cute. Just add a little accessories. I have a cute little mirror because I need a mirror everywhere. I need it at all times looking at me. And then I have my little Bradstall case that these cute little girls came in. Of course, I keep it. Princess Peach! Another phone that my mom had in the early 2000s. It's so nostalgic. It's so fabulous, y'all. Like, I just love it. It's so cute. I like to just keep her up here. Just this little decoration. And then because I literally don't have anywhere to put these little bows, I have these little bows for my hair. And I just clipped them on the little drawer part, and it's rhinestone. Either everything has to be pink and sparkly or pink and sparkly, like my car. And then we come over here on the wall, and I have this adorable little poster of the Bratz twins that I literally got in the package with them. So that came with it, so I just put it on my wall because it's so cute. I do have like these little like rhinestone little outlet things. I love these so much. They're so cutie. And I have my little lights plugged in right here. I love little fairy lights. And up here I have a little boa. And then I have block letters that spell out Barbie, because I am Barbie, babe. I literally am Barbie. My little name set up. And then right here, one of my all-time favorite parts of my room. I love this chair. It reminds me to be hot and to be fabulous and literally just strut my thing at all times. I have wanted this chair forever. I have literally wanted it forever. So I was like, in my new room, I have to have this chair. When I sit in her, I just feel extra fabulous. I feel like I'm living my fantasy. Like, I just love her. So my bed, I have my little nightstand, the same set as the dresser I had earlier. I have little journals in here, and then I have my sunglass set. I keep like all my cute little sunglasses. I just have my little collection. Then I have my cute little burn book where I write little secrets in there. And then I have another flip phone that was also my mom's. It's very beat up, but literally I painted her pink and sparkly because why not? I have my big pink pages. I love this magazine. I just love them. They're so cute. They're very like Y2K, very on brand. So I just keep these right here as little decoration. And if I feel like reading them, I might just do that. They're so cute and like have the cutest little fashion tips. I love it. Right here, of course, I have a picture of myself. Like, of course. I wake up right next to my bed. I look over and I'm like, OMG, there I am. You're so hot, you're so fabulous, and you are that bitch. You deserve the world, honey. That's what I tell myself every day. I just look over and I'm like, hey, you're fabulous. On my bed, I have this little robe. It's like this little like mesh little fur robe. I just love it. It's so perfect to keep right there in case I want to like put it on. And then I have my bed. My fabulous fluffy pink bed. It's full of fluffy magical dreams, Barbie dreams, literally full of unicorns, Hello Kitty, and just all things fabulous like lip gloss and mini skirts. Oh, and platform heels, don't forget that. But like, look how fabulous. Like here, I can like play my Switch, la 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 la, my Bratz game, or like Mario Kart and be Princess Peach. I can just like do my thing. Time for beauty rest. Hold on. Beauty rest nap. It feels like a pink, like cotton candy cloud. I have my little lip pillow to go mwah. Because it's fabulous. All these things in my room just remind me to be myself unapologetically at all times, just be fabulous and not care what anybody thinks. I have my little Hello Kitty plushies. I love these. I got them from Amazon. They're so squishy and just so cute, and I love to cuddle with them. And of course, my pink Nintendo Switch. I love her. She's so cute. I love to play with her. I keep this zebra print. I can't even say it. I keep this zebra print blanket on my bed because it gives like that extra like Y2K really like fantasy look. I love it. I love like Y2K and just being like very Y2K, very early 2000s, very like 2007, like getting ready to go to the mall and to see Chad and make fun of him. Then we turn over and I've got this pink little clothing rack with my little slides on it. I'm gonna put them on. They're so cute. I have my purses right here and on this side because 2 is better than 1, duh, especially when it comes to purses. I have this rack literally just full of juicy tracksuits. I'm obsessed with them. Oh, and Paris Hilton, duh. I pick out which tracksuit I want to wear for the day. Yeah. This one. Maybe this one. I love this one. This one. This one's so cutie. I'm gonna walk around with 4 purses because I'm extra. People are already staring either way, so they'll just be like, oh, okay, there she is. Again. This area is so cutie. I love it so much. And then on top of this, I have my mini little Bratz dolls and a little copy of my car. If you don't know, and if you do know, I have a cute little pink Volkswagen Beetle, so I wanted like a mini version of it, except this one's not sparkly like Brenda. Brenda is the name of my car. Brenda is pink and sparkly. She's so cutie. I love her. Maybe I'll do like a pink car tour next. And on the back of my door, I have more pictures of me and my favorite icons and just fabulousness. I'm just obsessed. I love to look at myself at all times. I have another like pink sparkly outlet because it's so pretty and it just adds to like the whole thing. So yeah, look at my room. OMG, I almost forgot. I love this side of my room because it's my closet, but it's literally just a wall full of a mirror. So I can just like look at myself literally at all times. If I could make all my walls mirrors, like I would. Duh. Let's look at the closet now. Mirrors is so cute. So you just slide over. Boom. Okay, we can't open this both sides at once. This is the first side. These are my shoes. So cute. And then we go up. Boom. Closet tour. And up here are my shoes. Some more shoes. Because you can never have enough. You need options at all times. So fab. The other side. So cutie. Like, I'm obsessed. And there's the other side. All my shoes. My favorite shoes go on the top because they're just so cutie and like they make me so happy. I love that you're in my room right now and we're like looking at my room together. Yeah, fabulous. This is my room. So cutie. She loved being able to see you. Oh, and right here I have a little picture of Barbie. Duh. Oh my gosh, fabulous. This has been so fun. Obsessed. I like to do like a little picture moment, like, hi. Really just me. So if you couldn't tell that I'm obsessed with myself before this video, now you know, because I just have pictures of me everywhere. And I'm obsessed with pink, if you couldn't tell. I had so much fun. I've been wanting to show you my room for a minute now because like you so deserve that. Like we deserve to be fabulous, have a good time, and like gossip in my room like we're having like a sleepover or something. So cute. I love it. Okay, fabulous. I love you so much. I really hope you enjoyed this fabulous Barbie inspired room tour. This is a reminder that you're hot, you're fabulous, and you are that bitch. You literally can do anything you set your mind to because you're powerful and a hot girl. Hot girls can do anything. We're the most powerful creatures ever. Duh. I love you, and I hope your day is as flawless and as fabulous as my room is. I love you so much, fabulous. And don't forget, dump him. Duh. It's the key to life. Trust me. If you're like, maybe I shouldn't, I'm like, just do it, girl. Trust me. Like, don't waste time on boys. Spend your time doing productive things like making your room all pink and fabulous. Okay, fabulous. I love you.